Hey, what's up? In this video, we'll continue working on fills and transitions. In the last video, we started the first example's fills in measures 3 and 7. We're going to keep moving through the progression, so this time our first example will have the fills in measures 4 and 8. Alright? I'll be scratching with the snare drum from beat 4. Time to get started. Here we go. Let's go back to the basics and make sure that our strokes sound crisp and clean. In other words, we want to make sure we're not dragging the beat. I'm pointing this out because we're using the snare. If you drag the beat with the snare, it might be noticeable. We don't want to sound sloppy. We want to make sure we're in time. All right? Here we go. 1, 2. I've mentioned in the past that I like to scratch with beat 4 because of the sound the snare grabs attention. It's a sound that can't be missed, so it allows me to make statements. Try to have fun with the fill and transition. Play around with axing the rhythm and try to identify the sound that you like. In other words, be creative and take an active role in creating your own sound. I hope this information helps. Be sure to share with a friend. Peace.